Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to turn on the 3D buildings function on the Google Earth application, so that if you are searching for a particular place in Street View mode, you will see 3D building imagery on this application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the settings icon in the upper left corner of the screen. Now tap on the map style function. Then scroll down to the display settings section and tap on turn on 3D buildings. As you can see, this function has been turned off, and as it says, newer imagery may be available when this function is turned off. So if you go back, you will be able to search for the 3D buildings. But I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.